In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable Assistive Touch that is missing on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Navigating the settings on your iPhone 15 to enable Assistive Touch is a straightforward process, designed to enhance accessibility for users. This feature is particularly helpful for individuals who require additional support in navigating their iPhone, making the device more user-friendly and accessible to a wider range of users. To enable it, start by unlocking your iPhone 15 and accessing the home screen. Locate and tap on the Settings app, often represented by a gear icon, to enter the device's settings menu. Within the settings menu, scroll down and select Accessibility. This option is essential for customizing your device's accessibility features. Now tap on Touch under the Accessibility menu. This section allows you to fine-tune touch-related settings for your device. Under the Touch menu, you'll find the Assistive Touch option. Tap on it to access the Assistive Touch settings. To activate Assistive Touch, simply toggle the switch next to Assistive Touch to the On position. This will enable the feature. Once you've enabled Assistive Touch, you'll notice a small, floating button appear on your screen. This button is your gateway to various accessibility shortcuts and controls. You've successfully enabled Assistive Touch on your iPhone 15. The floating button allows you to perform various functions with ease, such as accessing your home screen, performing gestures, and more. Feel free to customize its behavior and shortcuts to suit your specific needs by exploring the Assistive Touch settings further. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.